To troubleshoot Absa Bank chat support, start by understanding the common issues that may arise. These can include login problems, transaction errors, and general inquiries. First, ensure you have a stable internet connection to access the chat support platform. If your issue is related to a specific transaction or account, have your account details and transaction history ready for reference. Next, initiate a chat session with Absa Bank support by visiting their official website and clicking on the chat icon. If the chat icon is not visible, check if you are using the correct website or try clearing your browser cache. When the chat session begins, clearly state your issue or question, providing as much detail as possible. This will help the support agent understand your problem and provide an accurate solution. If the support agent requests additional information or documentation, respond promptly to avoid delays in resolving your issue. In case the chat support is unavailable, try alternative contact methods such as phone or email support. You can find these contact details on the Absa Bank website. To avoid common pitfalls, ensure you are chatting with an official Absa Bank support agent and not a fraudulent representative. Verify the agent's identity by checking the official website or contacting the bank directly. Throughout the chat session, remain patient and courteous, as the support agent is there to assist you. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively troubleshoot and resolve issues with Absa Bank chat support, ensuring a smooth and efficient experience.